So this is my Weigela, and there's so many pluses about this plant. First, maybe it's me, I'm biased for towards plants that are variegated, and the variegation that this particular variety has make it look so beautiful. And when it's in full bloom, and it's covered in the pinkish clusters of flowers, it makes it even look more beautiful. It can grow as tall as 2 meters. I've seen some people use it in their border, and you can choose to use it as a centerpiece in the border. It will do just well whichever way you choose to have it. I've had this for about 4 years now in the pot, and of course, because it's deciduous, when it dies back, I tend to just prune it, and when it's spring, it comes back with full force. So this is something you may want to invest in and enjoy the color, the bloom, and the spread of the branches while it lasted. So thank you for watching, and I hope you would subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.